Do you know what's involved in buying a home? I mean, step by step, everything that you go through from wanting to buy a home to buying a home. If you're thinking about it or you've already started the process, these 4 quick videos will guide you from start to finish so you'll be prepared for everything that's involved in buying a home. Step 1. Getting started. Here's what happens first. If you're financing your home purchase, you'll want to meet with a reputable lending institution to start the process of getting pre-approved. You may need to provide the lender with several documents including a state-issued ID, up to 2 years of tax returns, and your most recent pay stubs. If you've already got your financing in order, perfect. No need to get financed twice, unless you're trying to buy 2 homes. If you need a recommendation for a great local lender, just ask your realtor. Next, set up a buyer consultation with your realtor. During this meeting, you'll be asked some very important questions about your goals, needs, and lifestyle that will help your realtor set you up for success by finding the perfect home match. Way to go on getting started. You'll be home in no time.